Today start chapter number 7. Spreadsheet first calcs open source. Chapter number 7. Spreadsheet first cal open source. Important point. Important point. Point number 1. Grid is the pattern of three cross bars, that is the horizontal and vertical line. Okay. Point number 1. Grid is pattern of three cross bar, that is horizontal and vertical line. And point number 2, spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is the electronic arrangement of data. Spreadsheet is an electronic arrangement of data in form of row and column. Point number 2, spreadsheet is an electronic arrangement of data in the form of row and columns. And point number 3, OpenOffice Cal is free spreadsheet software. OpenOffice Cal is free spreadsheet software. And point number 4, OpenOffice Cal is the application of Apache OpenOffice suites. Point number 4, OpenOffice Cal is an application of Apache OpenOffice suites. And point number 5, menu bar is the bar. Menu bar is the bar which has option like file, edit, view, etc. Menu bar is the bar which has option like file, edit, view, etc. Okay, next point number 6. Formula bar allow the data to be entered in the cell. Formula bar allows data to be entered in the cell. Formula bar. Next, status bar. Point number 7. Status bar display the current worksheet. Status bar display the current worksheet. Total number of worksheets. Current page, style, current selection mode, and help the enlarge and reduce the display. Status bar. Point number 7. Status bar display the current worksheet, total number of worksheets, current page, style, current selection mode, and help the enlarge and reduce the display. And point number 8, a worksheet is the single spreadsheet. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet that contains cells organized in row and column. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet that contains cells organized in row and columns. And point number nine, a spreadsheet workbook is saved with the extension .ods. A spreadsheet workbook is saved within an extension .ods. Point number 10, a cell is the intersection. Point number 10, a cell is the intersection of column, vertical line, and row horizontal line in the form of a grid. Okay, point number 10, a cell is the intersection of a column's vertical lines and row horizontal lines in the forms of a grid. What is a cell? The cell is the intersection of a column's vertical lines and the row horizontal line in the form of a grid. And point number 11, active cell. Active cell is a cell within highlight boundary around it. Only one cell can be active at a time. Active cell. What is active cell? Active cell is a cell within highlight boundary around it. Boundary around it. Only one cell can be active at a time. Okay, next point number 10. What is a worksheet? A worksheet is a single spreadsheet. A worksheet is the single spreadsheet that contains cell organized in row and columns. A worksheet is the single spreadsheet that contains cell organized in row and columns. And point number 13, maximum number of row 1,48,576. Maximum number of row 1,48,576, and maximum number of columns is xdf, means 16384, 16,384 columns. And maximum number of worksheet 256 worksheet. Maximum number of worksheet 256 sheet. And numbers, it's the compare of the numerical data, only comparison of number from 0 dash 9. And point number 17, text, it is the compare alphabetically alphanumeric, comparison comprise है ना of alpha alphanumerical data that may contain the combination of alphabet from A to Z, space digits, special symbol, etc. And column with 255 character, column with 255 character, column with 255 character. Thank you.